Hello, it's a Edifon here, and on this channel, I share only what works that will help you grow your online business and make a lot of money and be financially free. So, in this video today, I am going to be showing you how to link your PayPal account with your Nigerian number. Remember that in our last video, I had shown you how to create a PayPal account as though you are in Argentina. So now we want to link our Nigerian phone number with the Argentina PayPal so that when we are sent codes, we will be able to access it with our Nigerian line. Are you ready? Let's get started. But before then, please subscribe to my channel right now and turn on post notification so that whenever I make a video and post, you'll be the first to watch. Have you subscribed? Let's get started. So this is exactly how to link your PayPal account with your Nigerian phone number. Log into your PayPal account and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the interface. Go down to profile settings and click on it. And then you see this interface. Go to phone and click on update to add your phone number. When you click on update, it will take you to this interface. And then you see this. Click on add new. The reason why you're seeing two numbers is because I have already done this for my account. So when you click on add new, this is what you see. Choose phone type, which is mobile most of the time, and choose country, which is Nigeria. That automatically comes with the country code. Go ahead and input your phone number, and of course starting from the second number of your phone number, you know what I mean. Then the box beneath the phone number, you have make this my primary phone number. You check that box because we want to make this Nigerian number the primary number, not the Argentina number. So check the box and then click on add number. I will not click on add number because I have already connected this number to this PayPal account and I don't want issues. So when you add number, when you click on add number, you also see where you can easily remove the Argentina number. Do not remove the number, allow it to be there so they don't suspect anything. And then you go ahead and click on add number, and that is just all. So make sure that you do this before you connect your PayPal account to your bank because they can ask or send code to the number. Okay, so that is how to link your phone number with your PayPal account. In our subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how to link your bank account or a bank account to the PayPal account. So stay on this channel and please smash that subscribe button right now and turn on post notification so that whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to get updated. Please like, share, and leave a comment for me. If you have any questions, leave it on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.